Life isn't perfect, but my hair is. Welcome to the first of the most basic natural hairstyles you can try. I'll be using the LCO method to moisturize my hair. Water is my liquid, Shea Moisture Hair Milk is my cream. I actually stopped using this for a while, but after I noticed how dry it is over here in the desert, I had to revert to the old ways of doing my hair. And Super Secret Oil is my oil of choice to seal in the moisture. From here, I just moisturize my hair, if this product will ever come out. Oh, okay. From here, I just moisturize my hair and style with your basic 2-strand flat twist. This is my favorite protective style I like to wear after I've washed my hair. Yes, 2-strand twist is good for around the house, but wait, there's more. If you want to get all fancy on them, here's what you gotta do. First, do as I say, not as I do. Grab 2 hair ties, not rubber bands. Tie them to the nape of your neck. Then unravel the twist up until you reach the hair tie. Next, section off small pieces of your hair and twist each individual section. Repeat on the other side. Then wait for your hair to dry. After it's bone dry, undo the mini twist and voila! A cute, I was going to the beach but it's closed, hairstyle. I paired it up with some earrings and went to the chili fries drive-thru instead. I'd say this style lasted pretty much the whole day.